Hello, teacher. Even though I don't sound like me, it's because I'm sick. I'm Valerie. I think for the second partial, it was my favorite because I think we saw things that were more oriented to our careers, like emails and graphs and everything. Another important thing that we saw was how to prepare us for job interviews and the regulations and everything. And I thought that was a really important subject because soon we're going to have to go through that process. Also, another thing that I really liked about the second partial is that we learned vocabulary for business, and my career is business. So I was really glad about that. I thought the first partial was a little boring, but it was necessary, and that's why I liked the second portion the best. What I thought about the course project was that even though it was good to explore different businesses in Puebla, I thought it was well distributed because we always had time to turn in the project on time. In my case, I really like the company and the values of the one that we chose. And I'm really glad that I chose that company because it goes really well with my thoughts of on how a company should be. I'm glad I discovered that company and this project allowed me to do this. Thank you, teacher, for everything you're done, and we appreciate everything you're done for us. Even though sometimes it doesn't look like it, I appreciate it.